Hi guys, it's day 3 on the 240 project. We're waiting for Sandblaster. I think Sandblasting's here again today. So we've got a few bits ready for the car to go up to be blasted. Just going to get him to do these rusty spots, just spot blast the car really, and the bottom of that door. So whilst we're waiting, we're going to go and have a rummage around the workshop, see if we can't find anything cool to stick on the car. Let's go and have a look. Right, we're upstairs on the mezzanine floor, where all the moulds are kept for the fiberglass and carbon fibre stuff we make. So we're going to be looking for maybe a front splitter we could use, maybe some wheel arches. We did come and have a look for a spoiler, but I've already made the ducktail. So let's have a look around, see if there's anything cool we can find.
There's got to be some treasures in here.
Diffuser, it's a bit on the old. There's a two-door door there for a, looks like it might be for a 262 maybe.
Oh, there's got to be some treasures in here.
There's a big splitter over there. It's a bit flat though. Might be able to use part of it. All the way behind over there, see?
Arches? Oh, they're too big.
There's a set of arches here.
They're
It's a
massive.
mould for a set of arches. These are
Look how wide they are. They're far too wide.
gross. This is a front splitter for the VX220, but that's going to be too flat as well. More doors.
That.
Oh, what's that set of wheels?
Ooh.
They're nice.
Size are they?
That's 17s.
That might be worth trying.
They must have been off of a VX220 or a Lotus. That one's got a Santa badge. Let me have a look. They're Lotus wheels. So Lotus wheels, 110 PCD, and our 240 is
108. Yeah, 108.
So if we're lucky, some wobble bolts might take that up, and we'll be able to bolt them straight on. We'll take one of these with us. That'd be great.
Oh, what's it gonna look like? Oh, that's awesome.
They're gonna look the part. Oh yeah.
With it lowered, those wheels, if they fit.
Camera right down to the floor. You'll be able to see how it looks. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Alright, that's that. I think there's a bonnet.
Oh my god, look at all the treasure. I
That
see
looks
the
like
bonnet!
Right, I'll try and pass it through the head.
Okey-dokey.
Oh, that is so dodgy up there. That weighs 2 million tons! Oh my god!
Right, hold on, coming in.
Oh, it's got some rusty bits on the front, we'll have to get him to lance over it. I'm just gonna
Twist it.
I was gonna kind of go down. Can you move that down for you?
old.
Right then.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Good job we grabbed this today. Let's do this on the back edge, isn't it?
Bloody calipers. Oh, gearbox.
God, things heavy.
Right.
It's not too bad. It's a bit crusty up in there.
It's better than what we've got though.
Yes, we've got a sandblaster here today. Look at that little bastard.
Amazing.
This is almost the colour we're going for, you know.
Right, we're in the next storage container.
The 700 axle here. Some really good wheels. There's some lights back here. So just grab this whole box.
Well, if they're 200 series lights, there might be some other stuff inside it.
Makes sense. Stand in the back.
Ooh. You could do it. What's the box on there? Let's have a look. Right. Ring lights.
Full of what's knots. Oh, that's a good one. Right, we'll take them, leave the rest.
What else is in there? Some glass.
Headlights. That's from headlights.